Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Stripe checkout to your website. So if you don't have your Stripe account yet, then what you're going to do is you have to go to any website. You just have to type Stripe, and then here you can just basically create an account on website using your email account, or you can also directly connect your Google account to your Stripe. So all you have to do is to sign in or create an account using your Google account right here. And then you just have to verify some things like your email, your full name, your country, and you need to agree with their terms and conditions. So once done, then you can now proceed. Here on Stripe, in order for you to create an account, you need also to answer a few things, but you have your option if you can do that one later. So if you want to answer basic questions, you just have to proceed. And if you want to do it later, there's an option there that says skip, then you can tap that one to skip this section here on Stripe. So usually Stripe will ask you your business website name. So if you don't have yet, then I strongly suggest to create a website here on Wix. So here, website or creating website is for free. Also same thing with Squarespace, but of course with limited features, also Shopify. So for this time, we will be using Wix. So I'm going to create an account using Wix with my Google account. This is the dashboard. If you want to create a new site or create new design, let's just say you have your Wix account, but you have tons of website. If you want to create a new one, all you have to do is to look for the option create new design in order for you to explore and create another design using their built-in template. So here I have to go through with these questions, but again, you have your option to skip this part and do this one later. So once you have your Wix, you have to look for create new design. Basically, let's just go over to create new design and I will show you how to do step by step in creating website here on Wix. But before that, this is also the Stripe account. So later I will show you how to create link. You just have to create link here and then copy that link, paste it to your website. That's how easy it is. But before we go on to that, we have to make sure that we have our website first. So let's go back to Wix and then I'm going to tap on create new design here. So tap on create new design here and then you can skip this part. Design your site with area, that is a new feature. So here, how would you like to design your website? Let's just choose from any of their templates. So pick a template here. There are tons of templates in Wix, so you can choose which one. For example, you will be selling home furnitures. You can just basically search for furnitures here, home or whatever keyword. Then you can edit a website here or template. So basically, this is what it looks like. Now, as you can see, I can just edit this. By the way, it's easy to edit things here on Wix. So all you have to do is to just zoom in, double tap to edit, add text. If you want to change the background, just right click and then change the background. All you have to do is to import your pictures here on Wix and then change pictures, change text, change description, add contact, and more. So it's very easy to edit Wix. Now, once you have your Wix website here, a template, it's time to create a link here on your Stripe. So go to Stripe, tap on payment links, and then here create a payment link. Now, let's just say your product is, of course, home furniture. You can add here home product or home furniture. You can also be very specific with your product right here. This is just an example. So create the name, add the picture as much as possible, and then add the amount. How much does it cost? Something like that. So once done, then you can now create the payment link. This is the preview. Okay, this is what your customer or client will see if they're going to tap the link that you're about to paste on your website. So after that, once okay, then tap on create payment link or create link. You have your option here if you're going to copy the code or just copy the link. Everything is up to you. So this is what it looks like. This is the link from Stripe. This is what we're going to copy and paste to our Wix template or website. So I'm going to copy this and then go back to my Wix account. And then you're actually, unfortunately, in order for you to add a payment method or link here on Wix, you need to upgrade your plan, you need to upgrade your website. So, for example, let's just say you have upgraded your site to business or you have upgraded your plan. All you have to do is go to this section and then select your product right here or create a new product if you want. Let's just say this one is furniture. Okay, about home furniture. You have to click that one and then proceed, add more information. Then you can now paste the link, but you need to upgrade your plan. However, I'm going to show you another way also aside from upgrading your plan to business or on Wix. You can add your payment method, especially your Stripe payment method. So what you're going to do is you just have to go back to your Wix template, and then in the Wix template here, as you can see, you need to upgrade your plan, right? Okay, in order for you to add your code or your link or payment link. Now, in other way, we can also add element right here. You can tap on the plus icon, look for button, and then look for payment. Here you can create a payment button, and all you have to do is to manage settings and then paste the link from Stripe. But when I try this one out, I figure out that again you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. But if you have upgraded your plan here on your Wix, then all you have to do is to add the payment button or pay now button and then manage it, then paste the link and that's it, or paste the code and that's it. Once your client click this, it will take them directly to the Stripe payment method and then pay. However, I also found a way on how to basically add the payment method or Stripe payment method without the pay button. So here I just look for the embed code. Okay, this one right here, and then I'm going to paste the link. But somehow there are times that link is not functionable, so you need to go and then tap on the code option right here, go back to your Stripe and then copy the code instead the link and then paste it here. Then you will see that it's working, it's effective. So this is what it looks like. Now suppose I'm going to publish this Wix website, and let's see if we can click the link, and let's see if it will take us directly to the Stripe payment button. As you can see, if I click this one, nothing shows. I need to upgrade my Wix. But if I'm going to click this one right here, it will take me directly to my Stripe account. And all they have to do is to pay. So basically, this is the easiest way on how to add Stripe checkout to your website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.